Hello friends and family, this is Artisan Girl or Nancy, or I don't know how you want to call me, but my name is Nancy and you may know me as Artisan Girl. And I know I've been gone for like ages, decades, centuries. Just kidding. But I brought you this video. Right now I'm doing with acrylics, so I'm trying to blend acrylics, like a portrait, but not really a portrait. It's like a semi-realism, so hopefully you like the video. But it was a struggle first. I tried to do with the shadows first, so I went with the darkest tone and then starting to build up from the darkest tone. But maybe I should start backwards from the lightest and build up to the darkest. But I don't know, I keep on having trouble with the darker areas, like the shadows, because I keep on leaving them like very light. So it never looks good since they're too light. So now I'm trying to, I don't know, practice on the shadows and shading and stuff like that. But we'll see what comes out of it. Well, out of this one, you'll probably see in the thumbnail. I'll put that there, and then beside it, I don't know. But it's been a while here. I haven't uploaded anything on YouTube, so this is the one that I upload. I have no clue what I'm talking about, but yeah, hopefully you like it, and I'll say you're gonna see me more, but I don't know because I have work and deadlines to finish, but I will try. So right now I'm just doing the lips and the pinker on the pink side and stuff. It's funny because I did this one, and you know, because my mom's side, she's like, why are you doing that with those ears? You should just do regular. I was like, no, I want to do this. But yeah, she's like, no, that looks too not horrible, it looks too on the dark side, you know. It needs to be more cheery, more like, I don't know what's the word for it. It's like she thinks it's a bad thing to draw ears like that. Not bad like it's bad art, that it looks bad, but as bad as like somebody stealing something, that kind of bad, okay? Like the other one, like they're bad and they're good, so I don't know what to explain. You know, she's very, very religious, I guess, so. But who knows, maybe, yeah, I'll do more of the Bible things and more paintings of the Bible, but who knows. We'll see what I do next. I don't know what I want to do. I do kind of want to do some stories of that. They're like, what are you talking about? I'm just rumbling. It's like my own journal right now. Not a lot of people watch this though. Well, people do watch it though. My sisters watch it. Hi family, that's why. And friends. And random people that just stop by. What are you talking about? I don't know. But I am just trying new things in acrylics. So later on I want to do more acrylics, make it like get better with the acrylics. I know I do have the oil, so I'm still gonna do oil paintings, of course. I want to get better on oils too. But I want to do other things too, because I know I have the manga that I want to do, but I'm just too afraid to actually start writing it. I don't know why. Do you guys ever feel that way, like afraid to do something because you feel like you're gonna just ruin it? I don't know, like afraid to even try, because then when you try and fail, then you're gonna be like, ugh, I just failed, I'm a failure. But no, it shouldn't be like that. It should be like you try, you fail, but then you keep on trying. But I don't know, I just feel like that. but I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna start writing my storyline and the stories and start making the comics, well, slash manga. It's gonna be like a webtoon or something, but we'll see what we do. And it's gonna be cool, I think, because I know I started was my stomach grumbling. It was like, grrr. I already ate. Okay, like I was saying, what was I saying? Something about doing manga. So I know in this channel you see me doing a lot of manga as well. And that's because I want to get better at it so I can start actually doing an actual manga, you know. But it's so hard to make the same person over and over again. I don't know. It keeps on looking different every time I try to do the same one. It's weird. It's usually the opposite for people. They do the same thing over and over and try to make it different. But for me, it's like I do one and then the other one looks exactly so different. So it's like, it needs to be exactly the same. But I'll keep on trying on that. So yes. And now I'm doing the hair. Highlights. So I'm gonna still try to blend, so hopefully I get good at that. And good at that. And then after I become better, I'll make some tutorials. I do have a tutorial of how to do clouds, so that's gonna be coming out. And I just did a spoiler, huh? Spoiler alert! You like the one from, what's it called? Oh, the one from Doctor Who, the girl, she was like, spoilers, spoilers. Yes, I'm a Doctor Who fan now. I'm a Whovinian. What am I talking about? But you'll see all of the good stuff. And now, I don't know, if I should do a shout out or I think I'm just gonna do it month by month again. I was gonna do one every video that I post, but I was like, nah. So expect a YouTube shout out for future artists or just anybody that's on YouTube who wants a shout out. Even though I don't even have a lot of subscribers, but hey, I have 500. That's actually, wait, no, not 500. Oh, that's my goal. Getting 500, I'll get there eventually. But I will do the shout outs in the end of the month, and we are on the 24th. When is this video gonna get up? I think it's gonna get up on the ending of the month. Not ending, I mean it's gonna get up tomorrow, but the other one, the spotlight shadow, it's gonna be either on the 1st of next month, so it can be for this month, and then just say whoever that's there. So if you want to be on the spotlight shadows, just leave a comment. Let me know what's your favorite TV show, either anime or regular series on TV like Bones or I don't know, Psych. Those are the ones. Or Doctor Who, like I just, or Naruto, or Bleach. Yeah. Okay, I've been rumbling on too much, and I should just stop talking so I can end this video, because the thing already ended. So yeah. Okay, until later, I guess. Bye.